Well, yeah. This it's a piece of pipe. It's 7 inches long, and that's one of them right there, with them going in there. I'm gonna braze that up, and then we'll set one of them up. I'll show you how to do this. It's kind of easy for real. It'll test your brazing skills, I guess. Oh yeah, I showed that Roby. That's one of them Roby sanders that goes around and around and around. Orbitorial. Well, it gave up. I'll show you what happened to it. I'm not sure about it. I don't have no receipt on it. I've had it for a long time, but the screws came out of it. But right before that catastrophe happened, I noticed a lot of sparks where the brushes are at, and the sander exceeded its speed limit for a couple of times, I would imagine, RPMs, you know. And after it did that, I guess it shook that loose. But I don't think it can fix it. So I would have thought that Roby would have been better than that. But it gave up. Had 80 grit sandpaper on it, I think. 120 or something on soft pine. And this one was a flea market, you know, junk box at the auction sale for $1. It's a Black & Decker. One of them kind of sanders. And I threw down underneath the workbench, brought it out in the place of this thing, and it lasted about 15 minutes. 80 grit sandpaper, full face sheet, soft pine, about 15 minutes. But that not being at hand, I had to turn the radio off. I sure did hate to have to turn that radio off right there. You know, that radio set the mood. It's a local station here in Middle Tennessee. But we're gonna braze that up right there. That's a project for a day. Got 7 of them to do, I think it is, in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we'll braze up the other part. Oh yeah. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna turn that in for grade. You know what? Ain't no more for me to say about it. I'm just gonna turn it in for grade. I'll dress it up with the grinder a little bit right there. We got some more to do.